Hello guys. These days Airbnb is screwing hosts. They are being very pro guests. It's understandable, but they forgot to ask us how we feel about it. I know for some of us it's a full-time job and we depend on that income. So what can we do as a host to respond? This is what I do. First, I do not accept any deals via Airbnb. I only do direct deals. If you don't know how to do direct deals, look me up on Facebook and I will share some of my tactics. I don't want to put all my tactics out in the open. So, don't accept deals via Airbnb, otherwise you can get cancelled anytime and nobody would ask you if you mind. Second, change your listing names. Right now people are trying to get away from crowded places, so listing names like away from crowds, personal entry points, beautiful walks in the forest, or close to the beach are in high demand. People are looking for something to do without meeting other people or big crowds. You have to think like a guest. I changed my listing names and the same day I received 9 requests. People are trying to get away from big cities. Number 3. Change your cover pictures. Take off all the pictures with a lot of people. I use pictures of a beach, golf courses without people. Right now people are trying to stay away from other people and have something to do. Number 4. Don't lower your prices. It doesn't help in most of the cases. You're just killing yourself. A lot of guests trying to take advantage of low prices in a bad way. They cancel a reservation with you with a full refund and rebook with someone else at a lower rate. Airbnb management didn't think this one through. You lower your rates only if you see your competition have lowered their prices. To spy on my competition, I have created a website where I list all my neighbors and I see their pricing on a single page. You're welcome to use it. It's free. The link is below the video. So, once again, 4 rules. Do not accept offers via Airbnb. Only direct deals. Number 2. Rethink your listing names. Number 3. Think of your cover picture. Think like a guest. Number 4. Don't lower your prices without necessity. Check out your competition first. Airbnb management is killing us these days. They forgot to ask us how we feel about it. Like my video if you support my message.